towards Mom.
Are you ready to go trick-or-treating? You are! Oh, so nice. Look at that tail wag.
We're walking on things. Y'all, are you walking on that grate? Yeah, it's kind of uneven. You gotta watch yourself. Oh.
Hi there, girl. So excited. You watching Dad's feet?
Alright. You ready to go? You ready to go trick-or-treating? We're not quite ready on those down slopes. Okay.
Oh no, we are, she says. We are.
Okay. We're running around. We are running around.
Alright. Let's go trick-or-treat.
Yep, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.